It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2013 BMW X28i in brown. It has cream interior seats, seating for four doors, and a hatch. And this has a 2-liter turbo engine. It's an automatic transmission and it's an all-wheel drive. It has a nice moonroof as well as roof rack and rails and many more features, including that trailer tow hitch. And if you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, twin-power turbo engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors, and this nice wood grain inlay. The driver's seat and passenger seat are powered, and you also have memory for 2 drivers. There's an all-weather mat on the floor, and your lighting controls are located here. And I'll just make notice of the fact that you push this button, and your side view mirrors will pop in and out of the way, or you can press it again, and they'll go out for you. So sometimes you're in a tight spot and you want the mirrors in so that they don't get caught on anything, and that's a really handy feature. And then on the face of the steering wheel is your volume and your hands-free dialing. You also have your dash controls that you can toggle up and down, and this is a push start. So my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're just going to push the engine start stop button. This vehicle is a turbo, and right now we've got our menu. I'm going to get into the main menu here, and I'll show you that in a minute. So you can toggle up and down. You just move the dial, and I'll show you that. And then you have your hazard lights as well as your key. Now, this does not have a backup camera. What it has is I'm going to get us out of park. I'm going to put us in reverse. So it's just showing you where you are in space. And then as you back up, it'll give you some notice as to if you're getting too close to something, but you don't actually have a view. So there's a different look to it. So it's not a backup camera, just so you're aware. Down below we have our max AC heated seats for both driver and passenger. There's your AC there, your front and rear defrost, your fans in the center here, CD player and AM FM. And then you've got your Eco Pro, traction control, hill descent, and auto stop start. There's an auxiliary line in and USB. I'll show you that. And a little cubby, automatic shifter, and then here's where I was toggling through for the media. Now it says navigation, and I did go in there and take a look at the map, and then as I went through, I was able to toggle through it and again push through, and then when I went into the options, it gave me different options there for the maps settings and display points of interest and so forth. Now I'm not sure if it actually will give you voice command. I couldn't get it to do that. That's something that you may want to look into. So I just wanted to point that out, because some vehicles may have the map come up, but they don't actually have the navigation SD card for it to work. And you have your automatic shifter there, emergency parking brake cup holder, your armrest just opens up, and you've got a little bin in there. You can pop that open. There's another cup holder, a place for storage. Off to the side is your glove compartment. You have your garage door openers, automatic rear view mirror, and then you have an SOS button. This also has a twin panel moonroof, so it just slides right open. And you've also got a screen that goes across, and there's a grab handle in the body. That just makes it easier to just touch the screen button. That's just by pressing this, and that'll make it go forwards or backwards by touching that portion. And then as you can see, it goes back, and there's your powered screen. 18-inch wheels, body colored door handle with easy entry. So when your fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. And in the rear, you've got a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper. And you also have backup sensors on your bumper as well as a trailer hitch. And then when you want to open up that lift gate, you can click your fob and it releases it for you. And then just put your hand underneath the BMW badge and you can lift it right up very easily. And this is one of the things I love about the back hatches, is when they have an all-weather mat. Just makes for easy cleanup. Got lights off to the side, hooks and tabs, little bins both on the right and the left, and a nice little tonneau cover that keeps everything out of sight. And then their handles are underneath. You've got one on the right and one on the left. Just pull down and it's now securely closed. You can lock everything up and walk away, or or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. In the door, as well as this nice wood inlay and power windows. They're seating for 3 with a 60-40 split, and you just bring the back of the seat down by pulling the tab, and then you've got that nice all-weather mat in the back and the tonneau cover. This center seat pulls down with that tab in the middle, so if you have a pass-through to be able to get into the back if you need it. You've also got anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats, and then just give it a push and you'll notice it'll stop part way, and that just gives you either more cargo room or if you needed more passenger room, depending on how you want to set it up. And then in the center you've got a 12-volt up top, that nice twin panel moonroof, hooks and handles, as well as lighting. Passenger side fuel cap, roof rack and rails, as well adjustable side view mirrors that tuck in, and you have halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.